Thoughts on Xbox buying Activision, says Rag Muffin. That's a big one today, huh? You didn't hear it, champs? Microsoft bought Activision Blizzard. Big one. What does that mean? That's kind of the bigger question, right? What does that mean? I guess it means is Microsoft trying to become the Disney of the gaming entertainment space, you know? Or do they have some sort of inside knowledge? I don't know. That Disney's going to buy Epic. I wouldn't be surprised if Disney buys Epic. Right? In terms of being able to blend in all these franchises and potential crossovers, and more importantly, according to current futuristic technological trends, the metaverse. The metaverse. Alert! Alert! Maybe Microsoft's just trying to get to it first. I know. Shit, maybe Disney just buys Microsoft. And then Elon Musk buys Disney. And then Elon Musk would... Now Elon Musk has everything. Boom. There it is. There's the grand master plan. We're literally going to be playing video games in space in 8K virtual reality. While driving Tesla spaceships. Elon Musk, man, I'm telling you, he's ahead of the game. I guess how about the question of Sony here? You know? Let's just say Sony's not in a very powerful position right now. They're kind of like this, hey, we've got this console that's cool, and we've got our developers. But fuck, man. It's not like they're in a powerful position to be able to, they're running out of options. I don't know. What does Sony do here? Sony buys Rockstar? Hey, I think what we're going to see, though, I think we're going to see a lot of activity within the industry now. I mean, a lot. On these larger scale moves. I think the true vision of where things are going are going to start to reveal themselves, you know? Which is a fantastic time. A fantastic time for Midnight Society and what we're trying to build and what we're building. Perfect timing. Hey! Oh, man. Daniel Phillips, thank you for the 15 minutes. 15 months. Not 15 minutes. 15 months. Who's that? This is the 2-time? Yeah. Yeah. What game are we building? I got no idea. I thought you had an idea. All right. Well, maybe we should put up the whiteboards in the office or something. Start talking about it. Yeah. All right. Not fun.
What?
That's not fun.
Yeah, until you get the drunk Cowboys fan that tries to actually fight you, and then you're in a lawsuit. That's fun.
All right. Look at us. Okay, look. There's Spider-Man gloves at the bottom down here. There's one in the middle floor. I'm gonna grab the ones over here.
So this is the strat, huh?
All right, everyone grab Spider-Man gloves. Then meet up here.
I don't have Spider-Man gloves.
Right by me.
I'm here.
Oh, they didn't spawn. Shit, they have a 90% spawn rate. They didn't spawn.
I'm going to Tilted now. Yep.
Here, grab these shields, Tim.
I'm gonna hit this. Grab what you said?
Right here. Ready? All right, I need to go get a gun. No gun spawned here.
Boy, this is a good spot.
Over by me, there's more shields too. And guns.
Also, once you put the gloves away, you can't use them for like just for a little bit.
Yeah, they go on a cooldown. Yes.
Wait, these
You
things
have full shields by me?
actually have a 90% spawn rate and they didn't spawn? Are you serious?
Yeah. Most games there's that location is 3 spawn rate or 3 gloves that spawn. Yo, swing on over to me, dumbasses. Let's go.
I can't swing.
Hey, Timmy.
What are you talking about? Oh yeah, you don't have gloves. Come here.
Are you fucking high?
Doc, eat 2 of these quick.
I'm just going to fucking Tilted, bro. I don't get down.
I got a purple snipe. It makes me so happy.
Good, Doc. When you're done, walk over to me.
Yep.
Come here.
I'm here.
Over here.
One more time.
Around that corner. Oh, nice job. Splash in here if you want to carry him.
Just a simple reminder for Timmy, you can slide in the game.
You definitely can. Doc is telling the truth. And it's very good to do. Someone's shooting. Who's shooting?
Timmy's on an island.
Near me? Someone near me?
Yeah, I'm here.
He's dead.
I'm looking.
Somehow didn't get full shields? What? On my fridge. Fridge is fine. All right, going to Tilted.
Hey, bro, why is this shark trying to fucking... Hey, fuck off, Jaws,
it's a
bitch.
shark, Tim.
I need a ride.
Just swim, forehead. You need the exercise anyway.
Yeah, but the... Hey, was that a goldfish? Hey, bro, I think I just farmed a goldfish, and
I'm all in.
I picked it up.
I'm all in.
Spidey
Right on me.
behind us too.
Isn't that rare?
Doc, I hit one for 80.
Yep.
On the bottom floor there. I'm gonna get to the top of the building with you, Doc.
On me.
I'm dropping down to you as fast as I can.
He went up. Okay.
Knocked one.
Okay.
Another one on me, Doc.
Yep.
Hey, why aren't we staying together? Where the hell are you at?
I'm right here. On me.
Tim needs help. Run to me, Doc. Run to me quick. Boys.
Jack, your fucking strat sucks. I didn't have a fucking thing. I'm trying to link up with you guys. Fucking shocked, bro. I'm going to Warzone. Fucking shocked. Land here, we're all gonna get spider gloves. I land there, no mats, try and rotate into Tilted with my dick in my hand. Nice!
He's really staring at me. He's really just staring at me.
You got 3 gold SMGs, Scourge.
Yeah, I do. You're the best gun in the game by far.
Easy reboot, Timmy. Easy reboot.
Sheesh.
Oh, you're out too.
Yeah, we're both dead, bro. This guy just said that Doc and I are painfully bad in this game. Well, at least people will watch us be painfully bad. You're just painfully bad.
Oh, yeah, right.
See, these are the kids that kill me, bro. They're fucking twisted. Didn't miss a shot. it was all making them long.
Yeah, it's really fucking good. Oh, great. Oh, and he just so happens to be a fucking sweat too. Awesome.
Okay, we need a mood change here. Everyone's down bad right now. It's like landing tilted's making us tilted.
Shut up.
That's pretty good one, I thought.
It was not bad.
All right, how much time I got on your card, Timmy? 150?
137 seconds, which is 2 minutes.
All right. Fine.
Weak sauce, thank
Not
you for
even
the
worried
3.
about
When
it.
you're the people's champ, you don't need security. Juice was right. Welcome back, 18 months. Filthy Rich, thank you. Australia, mate! 14.99 dock, open settings, go to audio settings, turn on visual sound effects and 3D sound on. Everyone plays it with it now. Change your game. That's what we started off with today. I'm gonna go back to it.
You got 100 seconds, Jack. Hey, Jack, what's the bro? I saw like a purple dinosaur. What is that?
Right there.
Yeah, what are these things?
They're new animals that you can feed, and they'll drop you items. But then you could also, if you jump on it, they have a blowhole at the top, LOL, and the blowhole redeploys you.
Is retail back with this update?
No.
Pain. My card's in zone.
Yeah, it's all right.
Retail was easily the best spot to land.
I loved retail, bro. It was one of
I
my
did too.
favorite POIs.
Yep, me too.
These kids are waiting for you to come back. That's cringy as fuck.
Yeah.
I forgot the zone don't do a shit ton. Retail, home and native land, baby. That's right.
Great. Really good swing there.
Jack, you okay? You seem
Yeah, I'm
angry.
fine. No, I'm good. My brain's just firing, getting us out of here. I think I'm gonna fly towards here, get in this area, slide in, use a quick grapple, land on this med kit, hit this rift.
Little splash, little boom, teleportation. Here we go.
Fly up here. See if we can spot anyone in here. Visual audio, OP now. Can hear if anyone's anywhere near me.
I should probably turn that on, chat. Wouldn't shut the fuck up about
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna turn. I turned mine on too because I'm fucking sick and tired.
Settings. What's that under?
Audio
It's under
settings,
visual audio.
I don't see it.
Audio settings, top right tab,
Visual.
and then go down to visual.
Thank you, Jack, for rezzing us. Guys, come on.
Audio settings.
Yo, land on me. I'm dropping you guys each a legendary SMG. And ammo. Split it all. And
I'll
here's
turn it
some
on
mats.
after this, chat.
There you go. Mass, legendary SMG, and you can buy ammo from here too. Spend some gold. Get yourself another gun if you need to.
All right. We're back, baby.
Come on now.
I just got a tent. Bonus down.
Sounds pretty intense.
Do you have anything in your tent, Doc?
Nope.
Okay. Yo, I got minis for you guys right here. Boom, boom, boom. Eat those.
Coming.
Kill a wolf. Another wolf. All right, zones move. Zones here. We're gonna start moving. Okay. Doc, here, take this.
On my way. Beautiful.
A buffalo? You got buffaloes in this game?
They have wolves.
Yeah.
They have boars.
Bison.
They have.
Do the buffaloes get mad?
Yeah, they'll chase you. Try to kill you.
I like the slide mechanic.
Yeah, it's really smooth. Between the sliding and the red dots, it's like you're playing Warzone, man. Try to get a bit ahead for us. Scout the way, you know? Hey, Doc, grab that on the way, please.
Absolutely.
Just in case you wind up needing it. I'm shotty in here if you want, Doc.
Absolutely.
Kill this frog and eat.
This thing on the ground looks like a bottle of tequila. What's this?
Is it the guzzle juice? Is that what it says? Or what? Is it like green with a little bit of red in it or something?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, when you're out of the zone, you can use that, and it'll heal you to full HP, but if you're in zone, it doesn't work.
Okay.
You need bandages, Tim?
I don't. Yeah, maybe. How much is going to start ticking for?
2?
I got splashes as well.
Oh, then you're good. Try to make it out without... Just try to make it out, and then we can...
Regroup.
It'd be best if you guys can wind up using your splashes as a shield.
I think I can make it out.
There's a team on top of Daily Bugles getting sweaty. Here's those for you.
How do
go
I
down
use-
here? When you're done,
How do I-
slide down here, actually.
Okay, how do I use this soda?
You just, when you get outside zone, pop it. Use it. And it'll heal you to full. Campfire and more loot down here. We're getting shot at from the top. Careful.
He's right in front of me. I think it's an AI, but I don't have a long range gun.
I don't think it is.
He's dead.
An AI.
Could you fall in love with
Yeah, here,
me?
Tim. Take that, and you eat one. Drink one of these first. Use that. Slide down here. 2 chests left.
They're fighting on the other side.
Yeah, I'm just trying to loot these to make sure we get full everything. Blue scope the AR on me if one of you guys wants. Actually, I lied. Green scope the AR on me if one of you guys wants it. Campfire right here. I'm gonna get full health real quick. There's so many ways to heal in this game now. It's absurd. It's awesome. All right, let's go. We'll get into the zone.
Fuck you, Sadie. Bitch. I have splashes as well.
Tim, I don't know if you've have you discovered this area yet, Tim, or no?
In front of me?
On your map? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I have. Why?
It's the area from Chapter 9, the Sunny Steps.
Oh, I like that spot.
Oh, more people to the right. Knocked one. Ahead of us right here. I think they're AI. Yeah, they're AI, I think. Killed one.
Whoa!
Why would it not hit me? Why would the AI not hit me? Right?
Guy up.
We hear him swinging to the right. Be ready.
Yeah,
Tim, right behind you, too.
Yeah, they're
He's flying past us.
you
He's
guys.
flying past us.
Hit one for 19. They're swinging at. They're kind of moving towards us now. Be ready.
Is the pump better or the auto shotty? If you're gonna use one.
I like the pump, but you either are good.
That's AI.
Yo, kill the one on the right. Kill the one on the right. Nice. Nice. He's knocked. This is big. Let's kill this guy. That's a real player. Another one to the right. More whipping to the right. Keep an eye out. Good loot right here too.
I think they're landing on you, Jack. Be careful.
Fine.
Any sniper ammo? I'll take it.
Yeah. Here, dropping 50 on the ground. In the air. Yo, in the air ahead of us. Hit for 19. 38.
Shots behind us? No.
I don't see anything on visual. Push up. Right on the beach, right here. Ripped one for 100. More to the right as well.
Behind us.
To the left.
Guys, careful, there's AI here as well. Don't shoot the AI.
Right over here, right behind us.
Throw carbon on me.
Superman.
Spider-Man, weak on me.
I'm coming. That's it.
There's one shot right in front of you.
Dead, another one. I need help. Oh, I'm dead. I'm alive. I'm hiding and healing. Oh, shit.
I got one knocked in there, Jack.
Hit 106 on me.
I'm never playing this fucking game after today. Ever.
Yeah, splash is good.
I got music going on.
Oh, he's got chilies. I gotta go for him. I'm going for him.
Oh, what the? On me, maybe, or something? Yeah. Oh, no.
2v1 this guy with me, Tim.
Coming.
Trying to push me away.
I'm getting sucked by the fucking
He ripped it. We're good. We're good. There's minis around. There's big shields around.
Dude, is this thing fucking serious?
Yo, Tim, I need you to come with me right now.
Coming.
Hit this reboot with me right now. Both of us, stick it.
Dude, the dinosaur's trying to suck me.
Eat that when you're done, Tim.
I have one, I'm good.
Okay. Doc, land straight down. There's all sorts of loot on us.
Yeah, yep.
Bunch of gold items right here. Full loadout right on me. People whipping around. Careful, try to get Doc time. This guy's swinging next to us. He's broken armor next to us. He's trying to full metal. Spin his box, dead.
Dude,
3v3.
Oh
my god, this dino.
It's fucking Jurassic Park over here, dude.
I'm going in.
I was one of the best grenade launcher users in the game. Let's see if I still got it.
They have to bounce once now, Tim. They have to bounce once, but they're better. Broke one's armor. Tagged another one for 80. Tagged another, broke another one's armor. One shot underneath there. Doc, Tim, keep spraying with grenades if you have them.
Behind me. I'm a bullet.
One of them's absolute. Doc. Doc knocked one too. It's 3v1.
One, I broke his armor.
Let's go!
Come on! Yeah!
Why are we doing coup and strat? Why are we doing coup and strat? Shut your bitch
Shut up,
asses
Timmy. Yeah.